Hey, good morning, astronomy students. It is Wednesday. Today is our asynchronous day, so we will not be seeing each other. Keep in mind, if you do have questions, you can send me an email. We can always meet face to face. I do have some meetings, but if you need time to talk, we can talk. So here's your week two overview right here. You got Wednesday. You're going to take your attendance, make sure you go through your measuring the skies notes, and we got a short ALTAS video for you to watch. So I'm going to click here into day two. Again, attendance right there, measuring the skies notes. And what I did last night is I went through the notes and kind of explained them. So definitely get things written down. You do not have to write absolutely everything. Make sure you kind of get the main idea of the slide and get that down. If you need some help, I explained each of the notes right here. And then here's a quick video on ALTAS. So just take a look at that. It's very short. But that's your tasks for Wednesday. We will see each other again on Friday. And please, as always, let me know if you have any questions.